Hello, and how you may see, we reached task 1 where we're going to replace LinkedIn with Twitter share buttons. So there is no written guidelines and ready copy paste code, so you're gonna write this code by your own. Let's begin. Uh, First of all, we going to modify our share component. What we're going to do, we're going to replace LinkedIn with a Twitter. Twitter, how it's written with a double T or not? With a double T. Twitter. Twitter and ID going to be Twitter, obviously. And we're going to component and changing LinkedIn to Twitter. Twitter, and here we're gonna replace LinkedIn icon with Twitter icon and LinkedIn share button with a Twitter share button, obviously. Twitter share button. So where is our LinkedIn? Let's replace it with Twitter, and to be consistent, let's change the render method name to render Twitter. Let's go find it. Here it is. Twitter, and the buttons going to be Twitter share button with a Twitter icon. So most likely our front end going to change to Twitter. If something can go wrong, of course something get wrong, because still in our backend we have a LinkedIn button instead of Twitter. So we going to change it just in a minute. Let's go to our backend data provider. Let's add a Twitter data provider instead of LinkedIn. Twitter, and I think nothing more here need to be changed. Let's go to our system and let's find here LinkedIn. Just replace it with a Twitter, and one more time. No, not one more time. Twitter, and the label obviously going to be Twitter, and we need to modify. We need to modify config file and also replace here LinkedIn with a Twitter. Let's flash magenta cache, and let's go to our backend. I think my session will be over, so we need to log in again, or maybe not. Oh, no. Let's take a look. Yes, LinkedIn was replaced with a Twitter. Let's enable it and save. Let's check it again. Yeah, let's save. refresh the page. And yeah, here we go. We have a Twitter button instead of LinkedIn. Thank you, and have a good day.